All right, ladies, I know toilets are not like your favorite subject, but we found this company that has some really great innovation in flushing. So, Jim, flush away, baby.
What we do is we give you the ability to select whether you flush with a little water or a lot of water by putting in a new dual flush converter. It's a simple installation. It's as easy as changing a flapper. That's what's called a flapper inside your toilet. This is what you'd find in a standard toilet. To put ours in, all you do is remove this flapper and you throw that away because you're not going to need it anymore. In its place, you're going to have our dual flush converter. It just slides right over the overflow tube and nests right where the flapper was. Presses down to seat it. You take your handle out of the front of the tank. Most tanks have a handle here. And in its place, you're going to put our button. So whether it's a front, an angle, or a side, our stylish button will go in. You tighten it up, and on the unit itself, you push that and it pops right in. That quickly, you can now select whether you use a little water or a lot of water. Small button for a small flush, big button for a big flush. Once it's installed, you make a couple of adjustments, and that's what we can do over here on the tank. The small button controls this blue float here on the side. The higher up it is, the less water you use. The further down, the more water you use. So what you do is you start with that just underneath the water level in the tank. You throw a couple pieces of toilet paper into your toilet bowl, and then see if it flushes out. Now let's say that wasn't quite enough water to make your toilet flush out all the way. All you do is take that blue float and notch it down a few notches. Let the tank reset itself, throw a couple pieces of paper back into the bowl again, and then hit that button again. Now let's say that time it was enough. Now you've got your small flush. Every time you use that little button, you'll be using that amount of water.
That's cool.
When you have a big amount to go down, you flush the big button. And you get a complete emptying of your toilet tank. A nice full flush. The difference is going to be your savings. 4 out of 5 times a day we have liquid waste compared to solid waste. So 4 out of 5 times a day you'd be saving that amount of water. It's going to vary from toilet to toilet, but it's a substantial amount of water.
That's cool. I'm actually, in the world of me, I'm going to be the little flush and the old man's going to be the big flush. So, very cool, and I can't wait to put one in. Thanks a lot, Jim.
You bet. Thank you. Thanks for coming by.